Old Momma Ted, she's out having their supper there in the rain. I got her banana waiting for her right here. Once she gets filled up, she usually jumps over onto the picnic table. And she'll sit down and eat the banana with me. Then she'll check my hands and make sure I don't have another one stashed. She's eating the cauliflower right now. She just finished off some corn. How you doing there, Ted? Enjoying your cauliflower. On this dreary, wet day. What do you say, Ted? You're about 5 years old now, eh? You've had at least 3 or 4 litters. You only got one of your babies this year, out of 6. Not sure where the other ones went off to. Oh, now she's into the kale. She likes the kale.